Hi there, thanks so much for taking a few minutes to check out the Get It Done in 2021 planner that I'm so excited to share with you today. My preferred app to work with this planner or any planner at all is OneNote. OneNote is a free download. It works on Mac, it works on Windows, it works on an iPhone, it works on an Android phone. It works across every single device I own and use. And so for me, OneNote is the very best choice when it comes to using an app for any type of planner. But do know you can use the PDF version of this planner in any digital notebook app. Any app that allows you to import a PDF is an app that you can use this planner with. So for me, OneNote is the very best choice, but it might not be the best choice for you. Feel free to use the PDF version in any app that you're comfortable with. So right now, let's do a walkthrough of the planner. The very first page is a cover page, and the quote right on the front is that something I believe to be true day in and day out is if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. For me, planning is the foundation of everything else you want to accomplish in your life. So anything you want to make happen, you absolutely can make it happen. And 2020 has just been, let's just say, it's been a shit show of a year. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready to leave that behind me, and I am ready to get it done in 2021. And that's what I built this planner around. This planner was built to be very simplistic and organized in a way that allows you to keep track of whatever is important to you in your life. It's something you can decorate to your heart's content, or if you prefer a more minimalistic view, you can definitely have that as well. This planner was built to be the framework to serve your needs in any way you need a planner to serve you. So the first thing you'll see when you open the planner is the cover page. Make it happen in 2021. 2021 is the year to get it done. I'm going to get it done, and I hope you are too. Let's get to it. So you can see you've got your 2021 year at a glance. It's simple, it's clean, and it's just your 2021 year at a glance. And then right after that, here's your 2022 year at a glance. If you're a long-term planner like I am, having the next year at a glance available to you is really helpful. So the thing that really is going to help you get organized in using this planner is your ultimate goal setting template. With your ultimate goal setting template, you can figure out what your ultimate goal is and break it down into easily digestible steps. This template allows for your ultimate goal to have 4 big things that you need to accomplish to make this ultimate goal your reality. But within each big thing that needs to happen, there's 3 smaller things that need to be accomplished to make that one big thing possible. And then we break it down to the level that actually gets it done. These are the action steps you need to take to make just that one smaller thing happen. So in most circumstances, if you take 3 action steps to accomplish the one smaller thing, you'll get there. And if you accomplish all 3 of your smaller things, then you get to you accomplishing your bigger thing. And when you accomplish all 4 of your bigger things, then you have very likely accomplished your ultimate goal and made your ultimate goal your reality. So this template is something that I've included in this planner because this is the exact process I use to accomplish all my ultimate goals. And then another thing I added to this planner for me is a meal plan. I have to have a meal plan and then a shopping list to know what I need to have on hand to prepare the meals that I've decided I need to prepare for a week, because without this, I have no idea what's for dinner. No clue at all what's for dinner. So this is a template I use week in and week out. I actually do all my grocery shopping with this exact list, and I plan the meals for my family off this exact plan. So this is something that I really need. Now you will notice that in OneNote, if you're using this planner in OneNote, you can see all the different months right down the side. And OneNote has some customizations you can make. If you wanted to see this on the other side, you can make that happen. If you wanted to see them across the top, you can make that happen. I have a little bit of a combination. I like to see my tabs down the side and also across the top. So you'll see for each month of the year, I have a tab on the side, but I also can access it from the top. And that's just super convenient for me. Now, each month of the year begins with a month at a glance view. So you can see you have your whole month at a glance available to you. So in addition to the current month, you can see the month before and the following month so that you can keep an eye on your long-term plans. You have a note section so that you can determine what are your top priorities for this month. Then down the side, the way I have mine laid out, you have a page for every single day. Now, every single day's page has the prior month here, the current month here, and the next month right over here. Every day has a task list and some notes you can make to yourself. Now, if you want to jump ahead 4 months and decide what is the most important thing you need to remember, like I need to remember to do my birthday gift shopping, I can just make a note of that right here. And when I get there, I know that I have already set my future self up for success because I know that I need to do my birthday gift shopping. So every single day of the planner has one incredibly important question. And this is a question I ask myself every single day is, did your task list support your goal today? And really what that question is asking me is, am I creating the task and spending my day in a way that supports my long-term goals? So every single day, I need my task list to be in alignment with my ultimate goals. So I ask myself every single day, did your task list support your goal today? And if my answer to that is yes, then great, I am keeping on track. If my answer to that is no, then I need to spend just a few minutes figuring out how to get myself back on track. And then regardless of what the answer to that question is, the next thing I do every single day is I talk to myself about, to achieve my goal, tomorrow I will focus on. And identify one tiny little thing I can do tomorrow to keep my task list on track, to be in alignment with my goals, so I can keep my focus on that one little thing that moves me just a little bit further towards my goals. Can you even imagine the power that comes with 365 days, 365 repetitions of making sure your task list supports your goals? And even more power in 365 times a year, checking in with yourself and making sure that to achieve my goal tomorrow, I will focus on. Bringing 365 opportunities to laser focus on one little thing you can do to move you closer to your goal. So at the end of the year, what you're going to find just by following these 2 little steps and keeping yourself on track is that you are 365 times closer to your ultimate goal. Imagine the power in that. If you start right now today and you get 365 times closer to achieving your ultimate goals, how much you can actually accomplish in a year. It's pretty amazing. And that's what I built this planner for. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. And I'd love to hear your comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please tell me, what other things would you like to see in a planner? Or what do you not use in this one? I'd love to hear all about it. Thanks for your time. And if you actually make the purchase, thanks for your purchase.